Buongiorno! It's me, Carolyn Scott Hamilton, the Healthy Voyager, and welcome to the Healthy Voyager's Global Kitchen. Today we're going to Italy, but we're bringing it back to California. We're doing a Primavera pasta, but it's a raw zucchini Primavera pasta with fresh pesto. All plant-based, all raw, but fun and delicious and light and guilt-free. Let's get started. I'm going to show you what you need right here. 2 to 3 medium zucchinis peeled. About a half cup to a cup of fresh basil, about a 1/4 cup of raw pine nuts, 1/4 cup of olive oil, up to a half cup depending on how juicy you want your pesto, about 2 cloves of raw garlic, and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast or grated pumpkin seeds depending on how you want to flavor your pesto. All right, so first we're gonna prep the zucchini pasta. I've already got some done here because what you wanna do is when you spiralize your zucchini to make the pasta, you wanna draw the water out of the zucchini. So once you've spiralized it or used your peeler to get fettuccine noodles, and I'll show you how to do that, you pour a little bit of salt onto your zucchini and draw the water out, and then you're gonna rinse it and drain it. So this has been rinsed and drained, but I'm gonna show you the spiralizer, and I'll also show you the fettuccine style. So in case you don't have a fancy spiralizer at home, at least you can make some fettuccine style. So we're just gonna spiralize this guy and get some noodles out of it. And off we go. Making the pasta, making the pasta. Look at that. Nice zouk pasta. So you'll see that you get nice little curls, and a lot of these come with different blade settings, so you can get real skinny pasta, you can get little shavings, so it's super, super cool. So you'll see I've got little pasta. So we're gonna make our pesto now. I'm gonna set aside our pasta to just kind of hang out. Gonna set aside our spiralizer. And if you don't have a spiralizer, let me just show you quickly. You can just do little shavings, little peels, and you can make fettuccine. Now we're gonna make our pesto. If you haven't made pesto before, it's insanely easy. And a classic pesto is made with basil, but you can use kale, you can use spinach, but we're gonna make a classic basil. So we're gonna toss in the oil first. Again, always start with your liquid when you're putting it in the blender. And then we're gonna throw in our pine nuts because those are gonna get nice and creamy. Again, putting in what becomes liquid first. Then we're gonna put in our garlic, make sure that gets nice and blended up. And our nooch, which is in place of the Parmesan, gives it a nice cheesy flavor. Let's clean up as we go. And then we're gonna put in our yummy, fresh, aromatic basil. Just toss that guy in there. You can always go a little overboard with basil and garlic, gives it some good flavor. And then all we're gonna do is just blend it right up to make our pesto sauce. And off we go. All right, so it looks like we got all the ingredients well incorporated there for a nice, creamy, flavorful pesto. So we're gonna get our zouk pasta, and we're just gonna take all this yummy, delicious pesto and pour it right over the pasta. We're gonna just mix it in and make sure we get all that pasta nice and coated. If you don't wanna use too many zucchinis, you can also do kind of half kelp noodles, half zucchini. So you get a little crunch out of it. But we're gonna just do it all zouk today. So we've got almost all these noodles coated well. And you can go ahead and throw all the extra veggies or toppings in to coat them with the pasta. But I'm just gonna toss them right on top here. And we'll get some pesto on these olives. I'm gonna throw the tomatoes in afterwards just for some color. Let's serve this guy up because I'm kind of hungry. All right, and there we have it. Messy, who cares, right? It's all going in my belly soon. So we've got our pasta. Let's toss on a few maters. And there you have it. You've got your raw zucchini pesto primavera to enjoy summertime, wintertime, whenever you want. If you're looking to kind of keep your slim figure down, it's a great choice instead of pasta. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to our channel to see more recipes like this, subscribe up here. Please leave your comments below, and if there's any recipe you'd like me to veganize or anything that you're interested in, please give me a shout out below in the comments, send me a message. I'd love to hear it. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter at Healthy Voyager, as well as healthyvoyager.com. All right, well, I'm gonna go enjoy my pesto pasta. I will see you later. Ciao.
Hi, I'm Dan Vega, and thank you for watching our channel. I want to take a second to tell you about a resource that's helping thousands of people across the country, Blue University. Blue University is the premier online business school for entrepreneurs and business leaders. You know, if you find yourself in a day-to-day grind where you've lost your joy or you're just tired of struggling, then check out blue.university. That's BLU.university. I can promise that you receive nothing short of a multi-million-dollar education. And if you want a completely different life in 3 to 6 months and a way to create wealth in 5 years or less, then again, check it out. That's BLU.university. Find out why blue is the new color of success. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel or to give us a good rating, but that's only if you see value. And when you do receive value, make sure to share it with someone else. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.